Are you any good in high school chemistry? 15 questions. That's 15 chances to prove you're a genius. Let's go! What element do all organic compounds contain? The answer is C, carbon. Carbon's unique ability to form 4 strong bonds makes it the backbone of all known life on Earth. Which among the following is a noble gas? The answer is B, argon. A noble gas means it doesn't like to react or mix with other elements just like helium and neon. Which of the following is used in fermentation to make alcoholic beverages? The answer is B, yeast. Yeast is a microorganism that converts sugars into ethanol and carbon dioxide during fermentation. Ag is the chemical symbol for which precious metal? The answer is D, silver. Ag comes from the Latin name argentum, which is where we get Argentina because early Spanish explorers believed the region was rich in silver. What kind of electric charge does an electron have? The answer is B, negative. Electrons carry a negative elementary charge that balances positive protons in atoms. What is the main component of natural gas? The answer is C, methane. Methane makes up the majority of natural gas and is a simple hydrocarbon with 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens. Who is credited with creating the modern periodic table? The answer is A, Dmitri Mendeleev. Mendeleev arranged elements by atomic weight and predicted properties of missing elements before they were discovered. Which is the hardest natural form of carbon? The answer is C, diamond. Diamond's strong 3-dimensional carbon bonds give it exceptional hardness used in cutting tools and jewelry. Atomic number refers to the number of what in an atom? The answer is B, protons. The atomic number equals the count of protons in the nucleus and defines the element's identity. What is the chemical symbol for gold? The answer is D, Au. This comes from aurum, the Latin word for gold. Gold is so malleable that 1 ounce can be stretched into a wire 50 miles long. Which was the first metal isolated by electrolysis? The answer is A, potassium. In 1807, Humphrey Davy used electrolysis to isolate potassium, showing molten salts could be decomposed into elements. What is the common name for the oxidation of iron? The answer is A, rusting. It is a reaction where iron reacts with oxygen and water to form iron oxides, a common example of corrosion. In a saltwater solution, what is the water itself considered? The answer is B, the solvent. Water is often called the universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. Which particle is shared or transferred during chemical bonding? The answer is B, electrons. Chemical bonds form when atoms share or exchange electrons to achieve stable electron configurations. At standard atmospheric pressure, at what temperature does pure water freeze? The answer is C, 0 degrees Celsius. Interestingly, the process of freezing is exothermic. It actually releases heat. Time's up. That's 15 chemistry questions. Count up your score. How did you do? If you scored 12 or higher, well done. You clearly remember enough chemistry. Share this quiz with a friend and challenge them to beat your score. Subscribe to Quiz Family for more tests, weekly quizzes, and interesting science questions. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next challenge.